Hi there, everybody. Welcome back. Here's Marybeth Angelelli back with you again. Just super excited to share this little program with you that is still very much going strong. Here we are, February of 2024. I actually got started last year in December when it was Cash App Christmas. And then they changed the theme up because Christmas is over, but this program is still alive. It's still going strong, and we're getting nothing but positive feedback from everybody. People are just absolutely loving it. Nothing but positive feedback. And the reason being is because it's just a super simple program, a super simple way of making extra cash, a super simple way to increase your cash, and it's really easy and simple to share. And the bottom line is it works and it converts because simple sells and it's affordable for the masses. And these days, everybody needs a little extra help to increase their cash flow. So just wanted to let you know that another Cash App payment came in not too long ago, and I just welcomed another new team member to Unity Cash Builders. There we go, folks. See, Cash App. And there is the payment. There's the payment proof right there for you. And like they say, the proof is in the pudding. So this absolutely works. I got started back in December of last year. So I am now in like my third month. And I absolutely love this. So let's just go over to the site and let's do a little just up-to-date review so I can show you exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get a replicated site. It's going to be with your information on it, and you're going to be able to go out there and share it with the masses, okay? And, people ask me all the time about advertising. You can literally share this anywhere you want. I mean, if you're comfortable, you can certainly share it with family and friends. Social media is a phenomenal place to absolutely get the word out, get the message out, because there's like over 4.8 billion people alone on social media. So imagine 4.8 billion people, okay, in excess of 4.8 billion people on social media alone, just for you to snag a little teeny weeny piece of that. I mean, there's YouTube, there's TikTok, there's Facebook, there's Instagram, just to name, four of the most popular out there, folks, okay? So you can absolutely use all of those, and they're free. I mean, if you have an email list, you can send emails. There's free classified, high traffic, free classified websites out there. You can share this anywhere you want, literally anywhere you want. So let me just show you. This is the page. It works well. It converts well. People respond well to it. And this will put an extra $100 in your bank account. $100 per sign up. $100 a pop into your bank account every time you get a new paying customer. Unity Cash Builders receive unlimited $100 instant payments directly to your Cash App account. Watch the video. So I'll tell you what, let's just go ahead and check out this video because it's super exciting, and all you have to do is share your page, your replicated page, and get people to watch this short, simple video. People respond very well to it because it's short, it's simple, it's right on point, and it does a phenomenal job of explaining exactly what Unity Cash Builders is and how Unity Cash Builders can help you, okay, to increase cash flow in a simple way. So without further ado, let's go ahead and click on the video.
This simple program is on fire. Let me introduce to you Unity Cash Builders. Find out why many are joining this program. How would you like to receive $100 payment sent directly to your payment processor just by sharing this high converting simple page? Imagine hearing those payment notifications coming into your phone. The joy of having extra cash on hand to pay your rent, medical bills, car notes, or save to go on vacation or get a new home. You deserve these blessings and the freedom to be with your loved ones. Just look at how others are receiving blessings just by sharing our simple program. There are 3 simple steps to follow. Step 1. Send $100 to the person who invited you to this page. Step 2. Send $25 to admin to create your page and place you in our rotator. Step 3. Submit the form with all the information that is requested. All payments informations are down below. All payments will be verified when you submit your payment information. We will create your page with your personal payment IDs. The time to join is now. Imagine all the $100 bills collected by you directly to your payment processor. Live worry-free this year. Make sure all the information is correct. Also, make sure your inviter information is correct, so that way we will create your page and put you in our rotator, ready to collect those $100 bills. Once again, it's very simple. All you have to do is share this page with others and start receiving instant direct $100 payments. Enjoy the new year and have a very blessed 2024.
Okay, so there you go, folks. Super short, but sweet, right on point. It works extremely, extremely well. So we'll just come down here, folks. The best online program is here, $100. And now you can actually get paid other ways in addition to Cash App. You can do Venmo, if you like Venmo, PayPal, and there's also Zelle. So you really have these 4 primary ways that you can collect your instant pay $100 payments. Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and Zelle. It's a very simple program, nothing too complicated. As you can clearly see, folks, people are loving it because people gravitate towards simple things and affordable things. And this is absolutely both of those and so much more. And all you have to do is share this page. You're going to have a page just like this. Okay, you just have them watch that short little video and you start receiving $100 payments directly to your favorite payment processor. Very exciting. I'm sure you would agree. When you join our team, we're going to place your link in our global advertising rotator link, which will help you to get additional $100 payments directly to your Cash App or one of these, in addition to what you're going to be able to get through your own personal marketing efforts. So not only will you receive payments from the people that you personally invite, but you will also get some extra added help from the company, sharing your page with others from different advertising platforms. So folks, it's truly a win-win. Okay, and I encourage everybody to obviously get the word out, share this also, through your own efforts. Okay, this way you can potentially double your earnings. Okay, which is a fun, exciting thing. So you follow those 3 simple steps. That's all you do to get started, folks. Let's get started. What are you going to do? Well, step 1, pay your inviter, Marybeth Angelelli. That's me. And here happens to be my Cash App ID. Okay? And then you want to please leave the note section blank. That's very important. Okay, just follow the guidelines. Please leave the note section blank. And when sending payments in the processor. And then you just click here. Or you can just simply type in my Cash App tag into Cash App and that's it, folks. Okay, very, very super simple. Okay, step 2, then you pay the admin, Johnny, and here is his information. You can pay him by Venmo, PayPal, support, any questions, there you go to support, but you send him, your payment proofs. Okay. So here is step number 1. You'll send the proof that you paid me $100. You will send $25 your payment proof for that. And you can pay here with Stripe, with a card, or PayPal or Venmo. So you have a couple different options. You follow step 2. And again, essentially very equally important. Please leave the note section blank. Please leave the note section blank. Okay. And then step 3, take a screenshot of all payments. Then submit the form below so we can generate and create your replicated page just like this with your information on it, and they'll deliver that within 24 hours or less, So very simple. You click here, there's going to be a short little form and you just fill it out. Follow the instructions to a T so there's no delays. And then, have fun, folks. Have fun. See, here's even more payment proof. And then there's a disclaimer. You want to definitely read this through very carefully. And that is it, folks. So below in the description is going to be my link. All you need to do is click on it, or you can simply copy and paste it into your browser. It's going to take you right here to get started. And with that being said, folks, I would love nothing more than to welcome you to Unity Cash Builders into the team today. Get ready, get set, start having fun, and start collecting unlimited $100 instant payments. This should hopefully help you to breathe a little bit easier, increase your cash flow, and you can go out there and help others to do the exact same thing. It's 2024, folks. Unity Cash Builders still alive, still going strong. I know you're going to absolutely love it because it's really simple and it's really affordable, folks, and anybody can do this. Anybody can share a replicated page just like this and then follow 3 super simple steps. Step 1, 2, and 3. Should you have any questions though whatsoever, you want to get a hold of me for any reason, text or call me. I always put my contact details below in the description of all of my videos because I do believe in full transparency. So the link is there. My contact details are there. Reach out should you need anything. Just follow these simple steps. Watch that little video again if you'd like to. And again, I would love to welcome you in advance. See you on the inside. Have fun. Thank you very much.